Welcome, today I am with XIAOMI Mi TV 4S and I'll show you how you can make the first setup of this device. So at the first, we have to grab our remote control. As you can see right here on the preview, we have to click and hold these two buttons for a few seconds until we hear the notifications. So let's click and hold them right now. Right now we can release. As you can see, we successfully pair our remote control with our TV. So right now we can choose language. I'm going to set English. We can make the quick setup with our Android smartphone, but I'm going to skip this option and I'm going to continue with normal setting our device without the smartphone. Right now we are able to connect to the Wi-Fi network. And of course I'm going to make it right now. Okay, and when you input your password, you have to select this icon. And right now we are going to connect to our Wi-Fi. As you can see, it was successful. So right now we have to wait for another step. Okay, right now we are able to sign in with our Google account, so you can make it or you can skip. Honestly, in this video I'm going to skip this step. We have to accept this terms of the service. You can read it or just accept like on any other Android smartphone or device. We can enable location. We can improve Android. I'm going to select no, so I don't want to make this TV to send diagnostic information to Google automatically, so I'm going to say no. I don't want to improve it. Right now we are able to install additional apps. We can select right here or unselect. I'm going to unselect and I'm gonna stay with the default applications. Okay, and as you can see, in this place we can find the Android model, the exact model of our TV. So when you input this model to the Google browser or any other browser, you will find the exact model of the TV. So in my case there is the XIAOMI Mi TV 4S, and right now just click on this arrows, you will get base information and click another time. Right now we can set up our region. We can make the channel scan. I'm actually not connected to the cable, so I'm going to skip this option. But if you are, just select one of the following options. I'm going to just skip. We have to accept the terms and conditions of the XIAOMI. And another one also, there's no way to not accept it and use our device. Okay, and as you can see right now, we can finally use our TV. As you can see, we accomplish the first setup, and right now we can open, for example, Netflix and enjoy our XIAOMI Mi TV 4S. So if you will find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.